Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got a mess on my desk, so I've got all my ephemera, or two of my ephemera packs and my puffy stickers out from a previous video that I have just put together, and I thought, while this is all on my desk, let me put together some cards using it. So I've grabbed our basic white note cards and envelopes, which measure, I want to say 3.5 by 5.5 inches when closed. Let me double check that. So, yeah, oh no, sorry, 5 by 3.5 inches, which is 12.5, well, 12.7 by, we'll call it 12.5 by 9 centimetres. So 3.5 by 5, 12.5 by 9. So, and I just thought, while I'm here, oh, can I get to, I've got all sorts of stuff on my desk right now. Yeah, while I'm here, while I've got everything on my desk, let me put together a couple of cards. I've just launched that across my desk because, you know, I've got it all out, and these are note cards. And one of the things that I love about our ephemera packs is it's quick and easy to make a card. Really quick and easy to make a card. So I haven't used note cards for ages, which is why my pack has bent like that. Yours will not be bent like that. So we'll just gloss over the fact that they are a bit bended. And then I've got the envelopes. So 1, 2, 3 envelopes. And oh, let me just clear some space because it's very messy on my desk, and I never work with a messy desk. Right, so I am thinking layers. That's what I'm thinking. So let me just do one card at a time because I'm going to complicate my own brain otherwise. So yeah, these are our mix and match ephemera packs. They're £6.75 for a pack, and you get 2 each of 3 designs. So here's my 3 designs for this set called Easter Time. So there's one. Let me just bring it all in. You can't see everything. That is a watering can at the top. So that's one, and you get 2 of that. You get 2 of that one. And you get 2 of this one, which you can't quite see. So I'm going to use that. I don't need that bit. I'm going to have that. And then what else do I want to put? I want to put some greenery. And then the puffy stickers, you get 2 sheets of those. And they're 2 that are exactly the same. And they are £7.50. And they are proper retro puffy stickers. I'm calling them retro. I'm entitled to call them retro. I am, in fact, retro myself. If you know, you know. You know, my children call me vintage. I don't know whether I should be, you know, find that a compliment or not. I turned 52 this year. I'm going to take that as a compliment. So I'm going to stick that one down there. And I want to put... a bird in there, but I want to, yeah, I might need to, I'm muttering. I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to put my bird there, and that's really quite pretty just as it is. And then I want a little butterfly. I'm going to stick with the pinks. No, I'm going to add in yellow, because why not? And I also want to add some gems of some description. Oh, ladybirds. No, we're not quite ready for ladybirds just yet. I'm going to take those ones. And I'm going to take this pale blue. I don't know what shade of blue this is. Does it say? No, these are the Moody Palette Glossy Dots. I'm going to say that is probably, what's it called? Cloud Cover. Okay, so that's my first card, which I think is really cute. Oh, focus on me, not the background. There it is. I think that's really sweet. Very simple. So that's number 1. get another card base. I'm going to go bunnies this time because bunnies are cute. Bunnies are very cute. We're going to have these flowers down here. I have those flowers. I'm gonna take, oh, which bunny? I don't know which bunny. This one. This one. It's here in front of me. This bunny. And I'm gonna layer it like that. I'm gonna add in some puffiness. Yeah, my boys think I'm vintage because, you know, because they're cheeky, and that's okay. But those puffy stickers really are retro. I'm of the generation that we collected erasers. To go for the internationally appropriate terminology. Yeah, we collected erasers. Oh, I like the bird, but it's not, it's just, I don't know if I want to add it there like that. No. Yeah, we collected erasers, and I remember having a custard green one that smelled fabulous. Custard cream eraser. I also remember, that is a little bit big. I want a smaller butterfly. I'll have a little pink one. I saw it not that long ago. It was a black eraser and it was a square, so it was like a cube, and it had a rainbow that went out of it, and it came in a clear box. I don't know whether that was UK only or, you know, whether other folks had it too. Let me go with more gems. So yeah, you'll have to let me know if that, ooh, these are pretty. Ooh, those are very pretty. These are hues of blue flowers. When did I get these? I don't know. Yeah, you'll have to let me know if you've got one of those as well. Yeah, I love stickers, love puffy stickers too. Let me just secure that on there a bit more. I don't want the dark, I think I want the mid blue. Oops. And that's my second card done. That's so cute. So sweet. Right, and then my final one. Oh, I forgot to bring these in. Oh. These were the other ephemera packs that I was going to use. Ooh, what fell out? Family Fun. So there's 2 of that one, 2 of this one, and 2 of these. And these are called Unforgettable Times. So yeah, Unforgettable Times. And with my third card blank, I'm feeling like I want this the other way around. I'm going to go not Eastery, but just pretty. I've got loads of these packs. I love them so much for quick and simple crafting, which is very much how I am right now. I feel like I've gone back to my roots. I was never a stamper. Before I joined Stampin' Up, I had never picked up a rubber stamp in my life, or they are nowadays photopolymer stamps. I had never picked one up in my life. I was very much just about paper and layering and lifting. I want to put dimensionals on this one. Have I got any handy? Yes, I have. Yeah, it was all about paper and dimension. And I feel like I've gone back to my roots, which is kind of fun for me. And then more puffy stickers. So I don't want, Maybe this is where I could bring in that big butterfly. No, it's still a bit too big. I'm going to tuck that behind there. And this one just under here. I think. That one down there, and I don't think I'm going to add any gemstones, but I don't know how well you can see. If I turn it on its side and it focuses, there you go, you can see the dimension going on. So that's on this first one, and then on my second one you can see the dimension going on, and then the first one, you can see that going on there as well. And I think those are very sweet, very cute. I really like them. I had some fun. I've chatted, shared the fact that I'm retro. And yeah, anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.